Hello, good afternoon my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Lane YouTube channel. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन्स का most rated, most important multiple choice questions in this NEET 2026 series. Hardly you have 15 days to go. It is 16, no? Almost you have 17 days to go, isn't it? So, Shalu Kumari, MS long live, these are all my all students. How are you all? So those who are online, please like the session, share with your friends, and take a pen and paper and write the answers and give the answers in the chat box so that you will be improvising the decision taking tendency. Let it be wrong, I am going to correct you. So without any delay, hydrocarbons part 1 we will do it. Part 1 we did yesterday and part 2 will do it. So let's start the question number 1. Hi, say everybody one thumbs up and fire emoji before start the question number 1. Here it is the question, and when the question comes in the examination, so by looking at this kind of structures, you will be having kind of fear like ye structure ajeeb dikh rahe hai. And let us see now. It is an alkene when it is treated with Br2CCl4. It is an electrophilic addition reaction, so that you will be having, I want to say this benzene group as a pH and CH and a CH, and it is going to be pH. That is the structure A with bromine is added here. So this is electrophilic addition reaction. Are you getting or not? Now if it is treated with 2 moles of NaNH2, NaNH2 is a base. So this base is going to dehydrohalogenate 2 times, double dehydrohalogenation takes place. So you are going to get alkyne as a product. So this is going to be, this is pH. Okay, this is going to be pH. Now this is the P. And when it is treated with PD and CSCO3, it is poisoned catalyst of these hydrogenation. So controlled hydrogenation takes place. It is a cis alkene is going to be the product. So you will be having a product like this, and it is going to be hydrogen, and it is going to be hydrogen. Cene addition and cis alkene is the product, and that is going to be the C. So the answer for this question is going to be the B is correct answer. I am expecting answers from you. You give the answer. Let it be wrong, I am going to correct you. So it is a rapid fire. In this session we are going to discuss all kinds of the questions in the same way. It's a rapid fire questions. So NEET examination, you should have the accurate answer, and you should maintain the time as well. So time is also very important. Give the priority for accuracy and precise answer with time bounded, right bacho, come on. So the most stable conformation of 2,3-dimethyl butane, in this 2,3-dimethyl butane, so methyl group whenever close together, they are going to have more repulsion. Now it is going to be super repulsion. It is not the answer. It is also having the same. It is not the same answer. Now you can see this methyl group on you have eclipsed. When this methyl groups little far away, it is Gaussian conformation. So it is the most stable. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? Most stable conformation should give its less repulsion structure. Bachcho, come on, you all understand this. Any doubt? And do one more. Super questions are getting. So take a pen and paper and solve along with me here. Which of the following most react towards electrophilic substitution, electrophilic reagent, beta? So whenever you have the electrophilic substitution reactions of the benzene, if you have positive mesomeric effect, if you electron releasing effect is there, reactivity increases. So I want to say here the answer, you see this is going to be positive mesomeric effect. You are going to have this positive mesomeric effect. you are having a positive mesomeric effect with cross conjugation here, and it is going to be negative inductive effect. So, you can't take this cross conjugation one. There is a competition between the structure 1 and the structure 2. Among these, I would say structure 2 OH is going to have more electron releasing group as compared to OCH3. Fine, clear. So, I am expecting interaction levels from the students. So, whenever the class is happening, it is a live interactive session. Please follow with us and talk to us if any doubts are there, and you can ask us. Come on, next question. It is alkyne when it is treated with Br2H2O. The double bonds present in the benzene will not never and ever react in electrophilic addition reaction. Benzene never undergo addition reaction. It's a thumb rule. So, whenever it is treated with Br in H2O, Br2 plus H2O, you are going to give HOBr, OH minus Br plus. So, whenever this is attached to this, you are going to see the formation of double bond OH and CH and Br. Is that okay? So, but the option is not given here. Then how to say? I feel it is Markovnikov rule का हिसाब से ये सही बात है, but the answer is coming. Double bond and OH group never be stable because keto-enol tautomerism takes place, so that it is going to rearrange itself. So, it will give you C double bond O and CH2Br will come. So, I would say option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt? Clear? Bacho? Fine. Moving ahead, और एक क्वेश्चन है. अरे, examine the structural formula of the following. So many structures are given. Find how many compounds will produce carbon dioxide on oxidative ozonolysis. Dear children, if you see CH double bond CH2, whenever CH2 is present at the end of the carbon compound, you are going to break this and you will be having RCHO on ozonolysis plus HCHO will be formed. Okay. And sorry, say HCOOH will be formed, and further on oxidation gives rise to H2O plus carbon dioxide. So, that is my key point. That is my key point. In that key point, bacho, this is the terminal alkene, terminal alkene, and a terminal alkene, and a terminal alkene. I could find 1, 2, 3, and 4. The answer for this question is going to be 5. Which one is 5? This is also 5. Fine. Terminal alkene or terminal alkyne is going to give you its oxidative ozonolysis. Now, moving ahead here, one more. The major product in the acid catalyzed dehydration of 2-pentanol. 2-pentanol. So, this is the 2-pentanol. Acid catalyzed dehydration, you are going to get OH2 plus. Now, it is going to be a carbocation. This carbocation shades of rule का हिसाब से but2ene. So, pent2ene na? Okay, this is a pent2ene. So, it is going to be pent2ene. Answer 2 is the correct answer for this question. Fine, bachao. Bhuvanesh, yes, pent2ene, that's good, correct. So, please follow with us and give the answer. I really appreciate your answer, and it is a rapid fire round continuously. In this, within 1 hour I am going to complete more than 60-70 questions. If you are with me, which of the following is a Lindlar's catalyst? Lindlar's catalyst is palladium with some poison. You can have calcium carbonate, you can have barium carbonate, you can have lead carbonate along with quinoline as a solvent. So this is act as a catalytic poison. It is a catalytic poison. This catalytic poison is going to deactivate the catalyst. So partially deactivated palladized charcoal, PDC, it can also be said that yes, it is going to be the option 3. That's good, fine, nice. So one more question in the given, whenever you see, bacho, this is a pent 2-ine, CH3, C triple bond, CH3. It is a famous reaction. Okay, it is a famous reaction. If it is treated with palladium in the presence of barium sulfate and in the presence of quinoline, you are going to get cis alkene, CH3. Sin addition, cis alkene is going to be formed. Okay, here it is hydrogen, here it is going to be hydrogen, fine. Now, if it is treated with a cis alkene here, if it is treated with sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia, okay, you are going to get anti-addition to gives rise this. Okay, so hydrogen, and it is hydrogen trans, it is going to be trans. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? So I want to say trans butadiene answer is this. Now one more question, and if it is Br2 what is the major product? A is formed through which mechanism? It is a super awesome question. Expecting answer, Bhuvanesh, tell me. Expecting an answer. This is a 2026 NEET examination paper. I am going to prepare more than 1000 questions in last 15 days. Come on, I will be with you. Come on, let us see how this can be solved. Tell me. (500°C) mean to say it is a free radical. Homolysis takes place. Homolysis always takes place whenever peroxide is there, whenever sunlight is there, whenever high temperature is there. So free radicals are generated. When free radicals are generated, they undergo substitution reaction. Allylic substitution is the product here. So the product that you are supposed to get, it is going to be CH double bond CH2 and it is Br. That is the product A, and it is a free radical substitution reaction. Answer is going to be free radical substitution. Wonderful answer, Bhuvanesh. So doing very good, nice answers. If the same tempo you maintain, I can guarantee you that you can enter into a dream medical college. God bless you. And one more question here. And here 1,2 dibromopropane alcohol KOH. So what will happen? What is the major product? So you have to use Sergev rule. Sergev rule. Remove the hydrogen which has the least, remove the hydrogen from the carbon which has the least number of hydrogen atoms on it, right? Fine. So the answer for this question is going to be this much. So this is the bromine is removed. So elimination takes place here, right? Next. Now let us see. This is a reaction. C2H5Cl, if it is treated with alcoholic KOH, you will be having C2H4 dehydrohalogenation. When C2H5OH, if it is zinc copper couple in ethyl alcohol, it is going to be reduction takes place. It is going to be reduction. So C2H6 is going to be formed. The answer for this question is going to be C2H6 and C2H4. Hope you understand this. This is A and that is B. Right, CC is right because the number of alpha hydrogens are more. That's good. You are giving the answer with a proper reason, and really appreciate Bhuvnesh. Those students who are online, come on, I am expecting you to give the answer as well. Okay, and one more question that I am showing here, trans-butene Br2 addition. Take a minute, and stereospecific reaction. Take a minute, come on. Whenever this trans-butene addition of bromine, it is an electrophilic addition reaction. Bacho, in this electrophilic addition reaction, yes, you are going to have ATM, and CAR. So, anti-addition to trans alkene gives meso product. Cis alkene on anti-addition gives a racemic mixture. So, it is a trans alkene, you need to get a meso product. So, I want to say meso 2,3-dibromobutane, the answer is going to be 4. So, everybody follow this trick and do the best. Wonderful, Bhuvneshwar. Bhuvnesh, come on, next. Any doubt? Come on, let's talk about one more question. Super awesome questions are selected, and you will be having this kind of doubts, questions only. So, let us do it in a rapid fire round. Come on, let's solve it. Which of the following chlorides exclusively gives 2-methyl-1-butane and dehydrohallucination by strong base? So, for this type of questions, you have to check these 4 options better. 4 options and cross check it. So, in the dehydrohallucination means the elimination reaction, whenever elimination reactions are there, follow Sageov rule. Whenever addition reactions are there, electrophilic addition reactions, follow Markovnikov rule. So, never confuse with Markovnikov rule with Sageov rule. So, the answer for this question is going to be 1-chloro-2-methylbutane. So, it is 1-chloro-2-methylbutane, and it is on dehydrohallucination, it is go 2-methyl-1-butene. Okay. So, you need to have this exactly. Fine. Any doubt? It is using any base that can happen. You can use a potassium hydroxide in alcohol and you can heat it. Fine. And sodium ethoxide in the presence of ethanol can be used. Potassium tertiary beta oxide in the presence of potassium tertiary butyl alcohol can be used. So, never bother about the, never and ever bother about the reagents. Okay. Right, DD. Okay, thank you. Let's see one more question. Who will answer this? Now, the same dehydrohallucination. The major product in the dehydrohallucination of 3-bromo, okay, 2,2-dimethylbutane. What is this? Is 3-bromo. 2,2-dimethylbutane is. So, if this is the case, in the dehydrohallucination, rearrangement takes place, right. So, as a result of this 2-dimethyl, how it is? So, Br minus is lost and you will be having a carbocation. This carbocation is going to be a unstable. This carbocation is unstable. So, as a result of this, you will be having a tertiary carbocation. Now, this tertiary carbocation is going to eliminate its proton to give this option 3. Any doubt, bacho? So, my dear fans, future doctors, Let us solve one more question over here. So, it is ethylene chlorohydrin is obtained from ethylene by the action of, you see the terminologies that gives you little confusion. What is ethylene? So, ethylene होगा आपका CH2 double bond CH2. When it is treated with Cl2 in the presence of water, you are going to give HOCl. HOCl means Cl plus OH minus. So, it is an electrophilic addition reaction. Okay, MS long live, hello, CH2 and CH, and it is going to be OH and Cl, ethylene chlorohydrin. So, dilute, it's a solution of chlorine in water. The answer for this question is going to be 4. Fine. Hi Sahil, I know you are Sahil. Yesterday you came, and today in early of the session I have seen you till then you kept quiet. Sahil, come on, how are you doing? And you understand this? Bhuvanesh, you give the answer. Yeah, you give the answers. Come on, let us see one more question. The product formed in the following reaction of sequence. So, this is HBr. When this is treated with HBr in the presence of benzoyl peroxide, क्या होगा? You are going to see CH3, CH2 and CH2 and CH2 peroxide effect. So, when it is treated with a potassium hydroxide, alcohol, primary alkyl halide, undergo E2 elimination, CH3, CH2 and CH double bond CH2. So, I wanted to say here it is option 2 is the correct answer for this question. This is a free radical addition reaction, peroxide effect and anti-Markovnikov of addition, and this is dehydrohalonization. When dehydrohalonization takes place, primary alcohol alkyl halide undergo E2 reaction and the secondary tertiary will go E1 reaction. Got it? It is very important. Bacho, I am expecting you to give the answer. One more question. Reaction of trans 2 phenyl 1 bromocyclopentane. So, this is cyclopentane. Okay, 1 bromo 2 phenyl. So, trans 1 bromo and here it is going to be 2 phenyl. Okay, and reaction of this on reaction with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. So, this is going to take the elimination process. From here you see it is E2 elimination is anti. So, you can't take this, and as a result of this 3 phenyl cyclopentane, pentene is going to be formed. I mean to say here this hydrogen, I want to remove this bromine and this hydrogen only, because E2 elimination is anti-periplanar structure. मुझे बोले okay, so no, you want to say this is the answer will be for this question. It is going to be pH. Got it? So, E2 elimination is anti. NCERT textbook it is given. I prepared questions in such a way that you need to use such a logic and get the answer. Fine. Moving ahead, the major product of the following reaction, Cl2H2O. Yes, we know this is CH3 and a CH and a CH2, and it is going to be OH and it is going to be Cl, right? Now, this is going to be intramolecular reaction, it takes place here. So, this is taken here and the bond is going to form and epoxide is formed. Intramolecular SN reaction takes place. Hi Palak. Now the answer is going to be 2. And CH3Cl, alcoholic KOH, rapid round, you see, alcoholic KOH, so that you are going to get CH2 double bond CH, dehydrohalogenation. Fine. This is a dehydrohalogenation. Yes, ring connections. Now Br2CCl4, CH2 and CH2, and it is going to be Br and it is going to be Br, right? And zinc and alcoholic KOH. So you are going to just remove this, dehalogenation takes place, so that CH2 and CH2 is formed, zinc bromide is formed. Again you get the A. So this is what is called as ethylene or ethene. Ethylene or एसिटिलीन नहीं होगा बेटा, यहाँ से एसिटिलीन आने के लिए you have to use NaNH2 and heat it, ताकि आपको मिलेगा CH triple bond CH, dehydrohalogenation होगा. Now you understand where you got wrong, okay? Palak, Sahil and Bhuvanesh, fine? B, right. Answer is going to be B. Answer is going to be B. Hi Rahul. Hello. Like the session? Please like the session. So in this YouTube channel, bacho, I am not promoting anything. We never promote and we give the best subject. Yes, acetylene welding में use कर सकता. ठीक है बेटा? Now one more here. So C2H5Cl, I think we completed this. Yeah, we completed this, and yeah, this is the one. It is clearly mentioned it is E2, right? E2 में rearrangement नहीं होगा transition state का हिसाब से. E1 में elimination will happen by carbocation, but it can have its rearrangement process. Hi Rahul, 665. Dare to have that? Yes, you dare to dream and strive to achieve. Those students who are preparing for NEET examination, keep your motivation always up and do the best in your NEET examination. And these last a few days, I want to give you a suggestion that you never and ever read any new topic. Whatever you studied, that only you revise, just like a cheat sheet or a formula based kind of thing. Then stay hydrated, stay healthy and stay connected with the people around you. Okay. At last few days, if you overthink about anything, it is going to give you really disastrous results. My dear students, that's the reason why you just keep yourself cool and do the best. Okay, come on. In this case, you will be having dehydrohalogenation direct product. आप देख सकते हैं ना, option is 1. Fine. Palak. Now one more question here, wonderful. When 2-methyl-butyl bromide is treated with sodium ethoxide, okay, in ethanol, what will be the major product? 2-methyl-butyl bromide. Answer, Palak. So 2-methyl-butyl bromide, you are going to see the formation of this. Answer is going to be 2-methyl-but2ene. Okay, the answer is going to be 1. And one more question here, the compound which decolorizes bromine water but does not give white precipitate with the Tollens reagent. Okay, so this is an alkene. It do not react with the bromine water. It do not react with the AgNO3. C2H6 also, and C2H4 it can react with the Br2 and water. and it do not react with AgNO3. But C2H6 can react with the both. So I want to say terminal alkynes or alkyne with acidic hydrogen can react with the tolerance reagent. What is tolerance reagent? Mentioned in the chart box. I want to say ammonical silver nitrate is called tolerance. Now Bhuvanesh, it is C2H2. It does not, yes, then it is going to be C2H4. Fine. Now the answer is going to be 2, your answer is correct. Now let us see, when HCl is passed through propene in the presence of benzoyl peroxide, so you have the peroxide. Okay, so propene when it is treated with HBr in the presence of peroxide, you are going to get CH3, CH2, CH2, Br, anti-Markovnikov addition. You want to use with HCl, if you use a peroxide, you are going to see CH3, CH and CH3 and Cl. अरे पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट खाली HBr को काम चलेगा. It works only with HBr but not with HCl. The answer for this question is going to be 2, isopropyl chloride. Any doubt? It is going to be isopropyl chloride. Now one more, butene can be obtained by electrolysis of the aqueous solution. कोल बेस इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस का क्वेश्चन है. So for this the answer is going to be for 2,3 dimethyl butane dioic acid. Now it is on electrolysis, what will Br? Vinyl bromide is formed. This Br, vinyl bromide is formed. This vinyl bromide you want to add. B is going to be CH3 and CH, Br and Br. Okay, and again if it is treated with excess, you have to write it is excess NaNH2. You are going to get double dehydrohallucination, you will get again ethyne. It is a tricky question where I want to set ethyne. Acetylene is also called as ethyne. Are you getting or not? Bacho, any doubt? Now one more question. So you see the questions that are given, it is looking as it is looking complicated, but it is not. An unsaturated hydrocarbon X on ozonolysis gives a compound A. When warmed with ammonical silver nitrate forms a bright silver mirror along the sides of the test tube, the unsaturated compound. Array directly it is given silver mirror, it should be terminal alkyne. It is an alkyne, cannot be. Alkene cannot be. Alkene cannot be. It is a terminal alkyne. The answer is going to be 4. इतना सारा लंबा कहानी सुना के, it is acetylene or ethyne. The answer is supposed to be 4. 4 is the correct answer for this question. Understand? That's good. D. And बच्चों और एक क्वेश्चन, रैपिड फायर राउंड बोल रहे हैं ना, it should be rapid fire. Just look at this, and this is CH triple bond CH when it is treated with O3, you are going to get a CH, CH and O, and it is going to be O, O, and this bond is hydrolyzed. On hydrolysis in the presence of zinc, reductive hydrolysis, so you are going to get this bond converted here, converted here. It is removed so that CHO, and you will be having a CHO. This is called glyoxal. It is going to be glyoxal and ethane diol, right? The answer for this question is going to be option 2, bachcho. And one more question here. Answer is going to be 2. One more question here. Treatment of ethyl magnesium halide with acetylene. So, Grignard reagent is a good nucleophile and very good base, strong base, and terminal alkynes are acidic. So, what will happen? H plus is going to attack here. So, you are going to get a C2H6 as a product. So, my answer for this question is going to be option 1 is the answer for this question, bachcho. Okay, any doubt? Now, let us solve. Yes, the product Q and R in the following reactions. Lindlar's catalyst, it is going to give you CH3, CH double bond CH2, controlled hydrogenation. Now it is going to be ozonolysis CH3, CHO plus HCHO. Okay, ethanol and methanol, and it is converted into oxidative ozonolysis CHO3 and COOH, and it will be converted into HCOOH, further converted into CO2. So, as far as this is going to be, carbon dioxide is not there, ethanoic acid and methanoic acid. Fine. DD right again. Wonderful. One more question. Here H2O, HgSO4. This is A is going to be CH3, CH3 and OH, and this one is hydration of alkyne. In this hydration of alkyne, so mercuric sulfate acts as a catalyst, and it is going to be CH2, and tautomerizes to gives rise CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So, this is going to be B, this is going to be A. Got it? The answer for this question is going to be 3. The same thing is seen here. So, NEET examination, you have to correlate with the given answer. Bhuvanesh, समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? Yes. Now, here decreasing order of acidic strength. Ethane, carbon alkane sp3, and ethine alkyne, carbon undergo sp, and sp2, alkene, ethane alkane sp3. So, acidic strength is directly proportional to percentage of S character. So, I mean to say ethine is greater than ethene is greater than ethane. So, the answer for this question is 2. Correct. Wonderful beta. और एक क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी जल्दी करना. Which of the following reaction will 2,2-dibromopropane? So, 2,2 dibromopropane. So, if you see this CH3, C BR मार्कोनी का रूल का हिसाब से CH3 बनेगा. Okay, alkene ऐसे नहीं दे सकते, and you have only 2 carbons, you have this structure logically wrong. This structure logically wrong. So my answer for this question is 1. Fine, beta. Are you getting or not? Now one more question. Acetylene is prepared by the electrolysis of potassium malate. Potassium malate. So malic acid means CH double bond CH COOH, and it is on electrolysis is going to get CH triple bond CH. Malic acid is a cis isomer, fumaric acid is a trans isomer. You might have seen this malic acid, fumaric acid in Krebs cycle in your botany, right? So malonic acid अलग है बेटा, malonic acid अलग होगा, that is CH2, CH2, COOH and COOH. Okay, we are not using the malic acid is different, malonic acid is different. And so answer is 1. Moving ahead. So what is the alcoholic KOH? Dibromide. You are going to get CH2 double bond CHBr, vicinal dihalide. Okay, and it is going to be alcoholic KOH. Only one dehydrohallucination takes place, and if you use a strong base like NaNH2 gives rise CH triple bond CH. Okay, similarly you see the answer is going to be 1. So the X is here vinyl bromide, answer is going to be vinyl bromide. Got it? That's good बच्चों. और एक है, acetylene is prepared by calcium carbide on hydrolysis gives rise calcium hydroxide plus C2H2. Yes, the answer is going to be acetylene, all calcium carbide ka. Option 3 is the correct answer for this question. This is calcium carbide, option 3. Fine. Now one more. The major organic compound formed by the reaction of 1,1,1 trichloroethane. So CH3 Cl 1,1,1 trichloroethane with silver powder. So what will happen? Cl C and CH3. If it is treated with silver powder, you are going to eliminate as silver chloride. Okay, silver chloride minus. So you will be having CH3, C triple bond C and CH3. The answer is going to be but2-ine is the answer. Are you getting or not? Clear? That's good. That's good. हाइड्रोकार्बन का रैपिड फायर राउंड थोड़ा सा न्यूमेरिकल करना है. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट गिव्स rise कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Calcium oxide is treated with coke to give rise calcium carbide. This calcium carbide is going to react with water to give rise acetylene. All reactions are balanced. Now you are asked the weight of calcium carbonate needed for the preparation of 2.2 liters. 2.2 liters means 0.1 mole of acetylene. If you see 1 mole of calcium chloride, calcium carbonate gives rise 1 mole of this. I mean to say 1 mole of C2H2 is formed from 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So we have to do it. If it is 0.1 mole of calciacetylene, it should form from 0.1 mole of calcium carbonate. The molecular mass of the calcium carbonate is 100. So that 0.1 into 100 grams, that is equal this coming with halo compounds into the action, and they'll give you various questions based on this. Okay, hope you are understanding, and hope you like this session, and your time is also valuable. I don't want to take much time from you, so we'll meet with more stuff in tomorrow's class. I'm signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Thank you very much.